Hey, love. I know that there's a lot of cosmic energy in the air. You may have felt extra anxious, tense, tired, or just extremely heavy. To be honest, I've been very tired and sluggish this whole week. It's important in these moments to really tap in, listen to our body, drink water, ground with the earth, and breathe. So take a moment with me and just breathe. You're okay. I got you. In through your nose and out through your mouth. There you go. One more big one. There you go. Relax. Feel. Let go. I don't know if you saw the full moon the other day. She was beautiful as always. I went outside and stared at her, spoke to her, and expressed my gratitude. The moon has really taught me to be present this past year. It's funny, there's so many things, people in the world, on and offline, vying for our attention. And we're so occupied with being busy, just, always doing something. Even if it's not necessarily productive, we just always got to be doing something or consuming something. However, the moon, she just shines. She's just there. Like clockwork, she waxes and wanes. She releases and receives. She doesn't worry about what's happening in the world, nor does she get anxious about what may or may not come. She just glows in her beauty and her power, regardless if she's acknowledged or not. She remains. She stays present. And I think that's so fucking powerful. I don't know about you, but being present has been one of the hardest things for me to learn. Just relax and let go. But one thing that's helped me to relax and let go is just to get clear on one thing that I'm going to let go. Every full moon cycle, one thing that I'm going to let go. and just state it. Say it out loud, write it on a piece of paper. The one thing that I'm letting go of is letting go of the reins. Whether it's loosening my grip or just letting go and letting my intuition, my power, the universe just take care of it. And then after I let go, I like to do something that makes me feel safe, comfortable, or just do something fun, whether it's have a cup of coffee or take a bath. One thing that I love to do, that my inner child loves to do, is watch cartoons. That really, 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 really helps me let go. So just think of one thing that you're going to let go. You can say it out loud or write it down. But just be clear on it. If you do write it down, I think it's fun to, if you can, burn it in the fireplace. If you don't have a fireplace, just rip it up and flush it down the toilet. But whatever you do, how you do it, just be clear and safe. And then once you've done that, do one thing, just you and your inner child. If you can't do it now, save it for later or this weekend. But just make sure that you set the time aside for you and that you actually do it. That's very important. I'm proud of you, love. Always am. Always will be.